when you're studying, doing work on the computer, whatever it may be, sometimes you use your personal computer and you get some text messages and you don't want them to show up in the right hand corner, whether it because you're working with a colleague, a friend, family. You don't want to see some crazy message pop up here from one of your friends or girlfriend, boyfriend, whatever it may be. Um, so this is how you get the messages to stop showing up on your desktop while you're using it or your laptop. So you're going to go to do not disturb. You're going to want to click on do not disturb and turn it on. And I know what y'all are saying. Um, this is going to do it for all my devices, and I have an iPhone, I have an iPad, and I want to still get notifications on those while I'm using my laptop. And so that's why when you go on to here, you click on share across devices and you turn it off. And you turn off focus status. So it won't show people that you have do not disturb on when you have this turned on. And if your phone is still doing it, your iPad is still doing it, you're going to want to go into the settings of your phone or laptop and go ahead and go to the focus status and turn off share across devices so that it can be individual based on the device that you're using. I can do a separate tutorial on the phone if you need help on how to find the focus status on your phone or iPad. But as far as the laptop goes, this should do it.